Hello, my name is John Sayer, Technical Marketing Manager, Civil Infrastructure here at Autodesk. Today I would like to talk to you about one of the What's New features in AutoCAD Civil 3D 2016, creating solids from Civil 3D objects. The ability to create AutoCAD solids from 10 surfaces, pipe networks, and pressure networks has been integrated into AutoCAD Civil 3D's user interface in 2016. We can create solids from surfaces, for example, and utilize the created solid data in other Autodesk products for visual analysis. So let's walk through how to build a solid. So I'm going to check out a drawing here to create a solid from a surface that I've got inside of this drawing. So I will check out my solids drawing. And the solid that we're going to create is we're going to create one for the existing ground surface. We've got several surfaces in this drawing that we could create solids for and to utilize them in several different ways in other softwares. But for now, we're just going to create one for the existing ground. So I'm going to select the existing ground and go ahead and turn on the surface so I can select it easily. Wouldn't have to necessarily do this, but it's just something I like to do. So I'm going to select that surface and I will extract solids from that surface. So as you can see, our surface is already selected here as EG. I'm just going to go with a depth and give it a thickness or a depth of 10 units. And I'm going to output to a drawing file, a new drawing file called extracted surface EG. Last thing I want to do is change the color so I can actually colorize these surfaces or whatever you're trying to extract as a solid. I hit create solid. Now let's open up what it gave us. I'm going to open up the file that we just exported out. And if I select that solid and look at it in my object viewer, you can see that it is a solid of the surface. So it does have the thickness that I gave it. I gave it a 10 unit thickness. We could have given a thickness if we wanted to represent something a little bit thicker, we could have, no problem. So let's open Navisworks and see how it looks when it comes into Navisworks. That would be one of the pieces of software that we might want to bring this surface into, or this solid into, that we just generated from the surface. So if we simply open Navisworks, run up to append, and we append this drawing to our session in Navisworks, we can see very quickly, if we zoom extents, we can see our surface. And I can start to pan around a little bit and start to look at things. So again, we've got other surfaces in that drawing. We could start building solids from those individual surfaces. We could use the surfaces as clash detection, things of that nature in Navisworks. And that's just one type of use that we could utilize this extracted solid for. I hope you enjoyed the presentation and have a great day.